Alright guys, my GoPro died actually, so I didn't really get a proper intro. But Mike came out.
That's what's up.
And I took the BMW and he took his Fiat out here. Nice little drive out here this morning, and we're gonna go check out some of the cars here. I had to park next to none other than GT3 RS. Oh yes. Oh, and this Lambo too, but that's not that cool. Just kidding, that's awesome. Alright, so I'm gonna set up the camera. We're gonna get some cinematic stuff here, and I'm gonna get everything going here. So yeah, let's do it.